Welcome to my online email classes. In this video, we are going to discuss CBSE 11th class MBE chapter number 14, and the topic name was annuity, and especially the last exercise, which is exercise 14.4, and this is the first question. Let us read this question. At the beginning of each month. So look at this sentence. The payment is made at the beginning of each month. That means it's a case of due case. So you know that if the payment was due earlier of each month, that means it's a case of due case, annuity due. And how much it was deposited? 500 rupees. In the savings account, pays 12%. So write down payment R equal to 500 rupees. And rate of interest I was. And he says he is doing every month. Each month. That means it was a case of monthly. So that means 12% means 12 by, since it was a case of monthly, it will be 12 by 1200. So that means 1 by 100. That means 0.01. That was the interest. And the number of payments n equal to. What is the time period? Time period was 6 years. 6 years. Time period was 6 years. So 6 years means at last how many payments he made? 6 sevens are 6 12s are right. 6 12s are 72. But the last payment he is not making. So up to 71 payments he has to do. And we know the concept that the last payments are not needed for the due cases. Okay. Because he is starting from today. So he has to make total payments will be 72. Write down 72, not 71. 72. So what we have to use here, use log tables. We should solve this question. Okay. So now, so what is the formula for A? This is a due case. So the formula will be R into 1 plus I whole power n minus 1 divided by I into before payment 1 plus I. Okay. So that equal to R will be 500 of 1 plus I means 1 plus 0.1. It will be 1.01 whole power 72. Minus 1 divided by 0.01 of 1.01. Now, first we will calculate this 1.01 power 72 value. Later, we will calculate using log tables. So, we are using log tables. First, we will calculate 1.01 whole power 72. So log of, make a separator like this. Log of 1.0172 equal to, you know that according to property of logarithm, 72 power 1.01. So it means 72, what is the value of this one? So the digits, the integral part is 1. So characteristic value will be 0. on 10 you should look 1. So what is that value? So it will be 0.0043. So we will only take 4 decimals in logarithms. So 0043. So just multiply 72, 43 is how much? So 72 times of 43. 3 2s are 6, you should write 06, 7 4s are 28, and 7 3s 21, 21 plus 8, 21 plus 8, it will be 29, so 6, 9, 10, 3096. So write down 3096. Now where to look at that point? So how much is it was? .3096. Okay, 0.3096. That was the log value, but we need that anti-log, right? So write down next anti-log of 0.3096. So and it will be equal to anti-log 2040, and we will take decimal here 2 point, because here the value is 0. Now therefore A equal to 500 times of this value is 2.040 minus 1 whole divided by 0.01 into 1.01. Now if we subtract 1 from 2.040, then we will have, so 500 into 1.01 and divided by 0.01, and it will be 1.040. After subtracting 1 from 2.040, we have this value. Now we have to use logarithms. So numerators should be added, and at last denominator will be subtracted from those log values. Okay, the respective log values are as follows. Okay, now I did this entire calculation. So you know this 2.040, just substitute here and minus 1. If you do minus 1, then you will get 1.040. So now anti-log of 500 will be 2.6990. Anti-log of 1.01 is log of 1.01 is 0.0043, and log of 1.040 is 0.0170, and these are in the numerator, so we will add all these logarithmic values and we will get 2.7203. Look at the denominator, 0.01. So find the log of that one using log tables, and it will be 2 bar point 0000, and subtract it from one to another, then you will get 4.7203. Now we will find anti-log of 0.7203, and it will be 5248, and mean difference 4 is added, then it will be 5252. So its characteristic value is 4, so it will be 10 power 4 into 5.252. So multiplying, you will get 52520. So that's it. So I request all people to subscribe. Thanks in advance.